Lily joins us now, and Lily, perfect conditions for flying today. But you've got a preview of next week and the very big day, don't you?
The festive period, a little bit of a preview, and I'm going to be showing you one of those charts again, a decider chart they're called, with the red and blue colours, which show what is more likely out of low pressure or high pressure. So ignore all the numbers, we're just looking at colours here, and you can see it's mainly blues over the next few days. So that means low pressure, unsettled weather most likely. But fast forward to Christmas week, the 22nd, 23rd, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and see what is taking over. It is those red colours. So that is the most likely scenario as high pressure is moving in, extending over from Scandinavia towards Britain and towards us. And that would mean things turning a bit more settled. It's looking like temperatures could drop off a bit below average. It has been on the mild side. But the thing to bear in mind is we are still a few days out, and the models that predict this, it is lower confidence at the moment. So we can't be sure, but I mean, hopefully it might be quite nice to have some settled weather in the Christmas period.
And for daily swimmers like myself looking to go in the sea.
Sure, you've been in a lot lately.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, what are the temperatures going to be like for the big day?
Well, I think I first want to show you a picture because we saw the big swell, didn't we? I showed some lovely wave photos yesterday, and look at the effects of that at Greve de Lec. We've got what looks like a beach on the path there because obviously the sand's all been churned up. But in terms of the temperature, you know, we'll see if you're getting in. Can reveal it's 11.3 degrees at the moment.
Balmy.
And might seem cold, but yes, it's actually above the average. The average is 10.5 degrees Celsius roughly for now. And if you're looking to go in on Christmas Day, this is all the information you need. The average temperature, 9.6 degrees, is looking like it might be a little bit milder than that because the sea is a bit warmer. And if you're thinking it's chilly, remember it's not quite as cold as going in February. But let's get all the rest of the weather now.
As well as getting the best angle of me with my antlers on just over your shoulder there. Lily just wanted to show you her festive nails. Aren't they beautiful?
Absolutely lovely.
Yeah, thanks for that. Very good. We're feeling very festive. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night. Well, we've had some mostly dry and settled weather today. It has been on the cloudy side at times, but we did see that cloud breaking up here and there to give us some lovely bright spells. And as we head through into this evening, we'll see that cloud mainly being broken up with some clear periods and light winds. So what that means is it will be a fairly chilly night. Into tomorrow daytime, it is looking to be dry. We've got light winds to start and some hazy sunshine, but it will gradually get cloudier. We'll see those winds pick up with some unsettled and some wet weather on its way tomorrow evening and overnight into Thursday. Back to the here and now though, tonight we've got dry skies and some clear periods as well as very light and variable winds. With that combination of clear skies and light winds, that tends to give us cool weather. So we'll be on the cold side tonight. We've got minimum temperatures of 4 to 5 degrees and a risk of a ground frost too. Into tomorrow, starting off with some hazy sunny spells, and it should be dry during the day with light winds to start, so fairly fine conditions. But notice that cloud starting to move in as we head through the afternoon. Our winds will pick up as well to a brisk wind by the evening. And actually, as we head into tomorrow night time, we'll see this weather front moving through. That's what's going to give us a good deal of wet weather as well as some blustery conditions, and a wet and windy Thursday is in store. Let's get a check on those times of high water for tomorrow though, between 4:30 and 5:30, later on between 4:45 and 5:30. So in summary, when we take a look at the outlook, you can see we have got some hazy sunshine to come tomorrow, but turning cloudy with wet and windy weather on its way into Thursday.